5 foods to improve gut health. Did you know that your gut holds the key to your overall health? From digestion to mood and even immunity, everything starts in your gut, but most people are unknowingly damaging it every single day. The good news: just a few simple changes to your diet can transform your gut health and boost your well-being. Stay tuned, because today we're revealing 5 powerful foods that can heal, restore, and supercharge your gut like never before. First on the list is fermented foods. Now, before you picture jars of bubbling, strange-smelling concoctions, let's talk about why fermentation is actually one of the best things that can happen to your gut. When foods like yogurt, kefir, kimchi, sauerkraut, and miso undergo fermentation, they produce probiotics, live bacteria that help replenish and balance your gut microbiome. These foods introduce beneficial bacteria into your digestive system, which can aid in digestion, reduce bloating, and even support your immune system. Imagine your gut as a garden. Without enough good bacteria, weeds aka bad bacteria can take over, causing inflammation and discomfort. Eating fermented foods is like planting the right seeds to restore balance. And get this, research shows that regularly consuming probiotics can help alleviate irritable bowel syndrome, diarrhea, and even symptoms of depression. That's how deeply connected your gut and brain are. Next up, fiber-rich foods. If probiotics are the good bacteria your gut needs, fiber is their fuel. Without enough fiber, these beneficial microbes don't thrive. Whole grains, beans, lentils, and especially vegetables like broccoli, artichokes, and Brussels sprouts provide prebiotics, non-digestible fibers that act as food for good bacteria. Think of them as the essential building blocks for a well-functioning digestive system. People who eat a fiber-rich diet tend to have a more diverse gut microbiome, which is key for maintaining overall health. Studies suggest that increasing fiber intake can significantly lower the risk of heart disease, obesity, and even certain types of cancer. And here's an interesting fact: our modern diets are shockingly low in fiber compared to what our ancestors ate. The result? A rise in digestive issues, sluggish metabolism, and chronic inflammation. So, if you want to support your gut, load up on fiber. Now, let's talk about bone broth, a time-honored remedy that's making a huge comeback. You might have heard of it as a trendy health drink, but bone broth has actually been used for centuries for its incredible healing properties. What makes it so powerful? It's packed with collagen, gelatin, and amino acids like glutamine, all of which help strengthen the gut lining. A damaged gut lining, often referred to as leaky gut, can allow toxins and undigested food particles to escape into the bloodstream, triggering inflammation and autoimmune reactions. Drinking bone broth regularly helps seal and repair the gut barrier, reducing digestive discomfort and promoting better nutrient absorption. Plus, it's a comforting, nourishing addition to any diet. Many people report feeling a noticeable improvement in their digestion and overall well-being after incorporating bone broth into their routine. And let's be honest, who doesn't love a warm, flavorful broth on a chilly day? Moving on to one of nature's most underrated gut-friendly foods, bananas. Simple, affordable, and widely available, bananas are more than just a convenient snack. They are a fantastic source of prebiotics, helping to feed beneficial gut bacteria and promote smooth digestion. Bananas also contain pectin, a type of fiber that helps regulate bowel movements and prevent constipation. But here's something you might not know: bananas can actually help reduce bloating. Thanks to their potassium content, they help balance sodium levels in the body, preventing water retention and that uncomfortable swollen feeling. Studies even suggest that bananas can help protect against stomach ulcers by strengthening the stomach lining and increasing mucus production. So, the next time you're looking for a quick, gut-friendly snack, reach for a banana and give your digestive system some love. Last, but certainly not least, we have garlic. Yes, that pungent, flavorful ingredient that makes almost every dish taste better is also a secret weapon for gut health. Garlic is packed with antibacterial and antifungal properties, which help keep harmful gut bacteria in check while allowing beneficial bacteria to flourish. It's also a potent prebiotic, feeding the good microbes that support digestion and immunity. The compounds found in garlic, particularly allicin, have been shown to have powerful anti-inflammatory effects, which can help with conditions like irritable bowel syndrome and chronic bloating. And get this, studies indicate that garlic may even have the ability to lower the risk of colon cancer by promoting a healthier gut environment. The best part? It's incredibly easy to add to your meals. Whether you sort it with vegetables, mix it into sauces, or eat it raw for a more potent effect, garlic is a must-have for a thriving gut microbiome. So, there you have it, 5 incredible foods that can transform your gut health and, by extension, your entire well-being. Fermented foods like yogurt and kimchi flood your system with probiotics. Fiber-rich foods, like whole grains and vegetables, provide essential prebiotics. Bone broth works to repair and strengthen your gut lining. Bananas offer gentle digestive support and help combat bloating. And garlic? It's a natural antibacterial powerhouse that keeps your gut flora in check. By incorporating these foods into your diet, you're not just improving digestion, you're boosting immunity, enhancing mental clarity, and even supporting heart health. Remember, a happy gut leads to a healthier, more vibrant life. So, what will you add to your plate first? Let us know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more health tips. See you in the next one.